we can't comment on it right now. The prosecutors have yet to meet since the release of that timeline. But personally, I don't think it would be possible on our part to just consolidate it into two articles. That would be betrayal of the full articles that we have.
Sapat na panahon po ba yung 2 linggo para sa patlagay ninyo para ipaliwanag kung ano yung nasa laman ng articles of impeachment?
I think hindi po siya sapat if we take a look. Tama po yung nakikita pong timeline, parang 2 araw lang yung nabibigay ng presentation of evidence. And if we were divided into 7 articles, that really would not be enough time.
Mga gaano katagal kailangan ninyo, sir, to explain thoroughly or to present your case?
We're not ready yet to say how much time we need, but that's the base of
Pero sir, hindi naman dapat mag-end agad sa June 30 yung trial, di ba? Because ang position nga ng Rossi is hanggang 20th of August.
Yes, the prosecution still stands by that position that the impeachment can goes over to the 20th Congress as per jurisprudence. So,
Sir, kumusta po yung paghahanda niyo ngayon for June 11?
Okay naman po yung paghahanda po namin. We don't expect much happen by then. But tuloy-tuloy lang po yung paghahanda.
Pero sir, medyo mapapaaga yung presentation ngayon compared to the previous timeline. Handa po ba kayo to present ng June?
I'm not sure if the previous timeline will be changed, but if everything is...
Dati kasi June 30 ang simula di ba? Ngayon parang middle of June something.
Well, in either case, we will be prepared. We'll be prepared for past the months despite the running the election. Well, I guess that's just the opinion of the people, and we stand to see kung ano po talaga. It just speaks of the clamor po siguro ng public. Not for whether you're pro or against